Hi children, welcome to the class. So in today's class we are going to see poem in unit 2. What do humans save? So what humans will save? So first we will say money, isn't it? So but there are other resources we have to say in our life for future use. Okay, we'll see the poem once. Ants pile food in the anthill. They heat it during the winter's chill. Moles dig long and winding tunnels and save worms in the channels. Crocodiles are found in many countries. They store food in their pantries. Squirrels reserve food in a larder. They store a 7-course meal with starter. Leopards keep their prey on a tree and eat them when they are free. Farmers store the harvest in a granary, soon to be packed in the cannery. What do you save? Everything that nature gave. So this is a nice poem, children. So from now onwards, you all are small, isn't it? Small children. So you can save something in your life. See in this poem, for all the stanzas in the 2 lines, see the last, it is rhyming words, the 2 words. Anthill, chill, tunnels, channels, countries, pantries, larder, starter, tree, free, granary, cannery, save, gave. So these are all the rhyming words. We'll see one by one, children. Ants pile food in the anthill. They heat it during the winter's chill. Moles dig long and winding tunnels and save worms in the channels. So ants pile food. Pile means what? Collect. Pile means what, children? Collecting the food. So ants will collect the food in the anthill. Erumbuputtu. Anthill means erumbuputtu solvangala, that is anthill. They heat it during the winter's chill. So they will collect food during the summer time and they will store it and they will store inside the anthill, and during winter season, if they feel hungry means they will eat during winter season. Okay, so during winter season and all, they can't go outside. Romba kulura irukum, mala peyum, so they can't go outside to search for food. So before summer season itself, they will start collecting the food and they will store in the anthill. So different leaves, everything it will collect ant. Moles dig long and winding tunnels and save worms in the channels. So moles, a rat-like creature, it is big in size. So rat means small, but the mole, it will be big in size. It will dig long and winding tunnels. So it will dig a long winding tunnels. Digging means pallan thondrathu inside the under the underground earth, and save earthworms in the channels. See, it is storing earthworms in the channels. It is making a big tunnel. Surangapade mari, a big tunnel it is making under the ground. So there it will make a small channels. There it will save food. Food what? Earthworm. So moles will save earthworm in the tunnel underground. So ant will store food in the anthill. Moles will store food in the earthworms in the channels, that is tunnel. See this picture, children. Mole, how it is digging the underground, making a hole inside the earth. So you can see the picture where it is saving the earthworm inside the channels, the small channels it will make and store the earthworm. Next, crocodiles are found in many countries. They store food in their pantries. You can see crocodile in many countries, isn't it? So crocodiles are found in many countries. So in all the countries you can see the crocodile. They store food in their pantries. Pantries means a storage room. So நம்ம ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைப்போம்ல, there will be a separate room for storing the things and all. So there it will store the food. Crocodile. Sometimes crocodiles may live in either water as well as in the land, isn't it? So it will store inside the water also sometimes and also on the land. ஸோ லேண்ட் அந்த கல் இடுக்கல் அங்கெல்லாம் போய் it will store the food. Okay, so crocodiles are found in many countries. They also will store food in their pantries. Squirrels reserve food in a larder. They store a 7-course meal with starter. Squirrels, anil, how they will store the food? Reserve food in a larder. Marapondu. Larder means it will store food sometimes in a larder. Marabondu da larder solvom. See this picture. It will make a hole inside the tree. So marabondu mari adukulla it will store the food. They store but how it is storing? They store a 7-course meal with starter. So it can collect everything, nuts, seeds, berries, fruits, vegetables, everything it can eat. Squirrel. So it will collect different types of food. So that only the poet says 7-course meal with starter. Starter means you can say no. Before பசி எடுக்கிறதுக்கு appetizer. So starter means appetizer. That means it will feel you to make hungry. So that is starter. So சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி they will give in hotel and all soup and all they will give no same way. So it will collect everything. Squirrel. So squirrel reserve food in a larder. They store a 7-course meal with a starter. So it will collect everything, berries, acorns and nuts, seeds, fruits, everything it will eat. So that only it is saying they can collect 7-course meal. Everything it will store it in a larder. Marapondula, the squirrels will save. Leopards keep their prey on a tree and eat them when they are free. Leopards. So சிறுத்தை. That animal, it will keep their prey on a tree. Prey means what, children? An animal that is hunted and killed by another for food. ஒரு animal கொன்னுட்டு சாப்பிட்றது. An animal which is killed by the another animal for food. சாப்பிட்றதுக்காக. See how it is saving, how it is storing the food. So leopards keep their prey on a tree. So on the tree, மரத்துக்கு மேலே தான் அதோட உணவை சேமிச்சு வைக்கும். So leopards keep their prey on a tree and eat them when they are free. So when they feel hungry, when they are free, that time they will eat. Leopards, சிறுத்தை. So leopards keep their prey on a tree and eat them when they are free. Farmers store the harvest in a granary, soon to be packed in the cannery. Farmers, விவசாயிகள், they are also storing something. What they are storing? They harvest in a granary. What they are harvesting? Rice, grain, cereals, everything they harvest in a granary. Granary means a storehouse for threshed grain. So there separate place will be there for storing the grains and all, for cereals, everything there will be a separate place in the village. So there they will save, farmers and all, what they are harvesting in the village, what they are collecting, everything, rice, cereal, grains, everything they will collect and keep it one place, soon to be packed in the cannery. So from the granary they will take it to the factories or to some other place where it will be packed in tins or cans. ஒரு பேக்கெட்டில் டின்னில் கேன்லலாம் அடைச்சி they will sell it to the stores and all. So farmers also they are storing something, isn't it? They are storing food for us. So farmers store the harvest in a granary, soon to be packed in the cannery. So they are also savings. So this is granary. In village and all, you can if you go means you can see they will save, they will store the grains. தானிய கிடங்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, சரிங்களா? களஞ்சியம், அங்கே என்னெல்லாம் விவசாயம் அங்கே பார்க்குறாங்களோ they will collect it and keep it in the granary. It is a storehouse. அங்கே ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்கிற இடம். What do you save? Everything that nature gave. So this is a nice poem, children. So poet is asking, what do you save? So the poet asking us, நீங்கள் என்ன சேமித்து வைக்கிறீங்க? Everything that nature gave us. So nature has given everything for us. But what we are saving, நம்ம என்ன சேமித்து வைக்கிறோம்? Nothing. But we are using. We are not saving the nature, but we are using it. Okay. Nature has given us everything. But we have to save. Okay. All the animals, see the small ant. It is a small creature that is also saving something for future use. So we have to use the thing and we have to save the nature. So what and all we can save? You can save water and you can save earth. That is very essential for human life. Water is very much important for future generation also. You can also save soil. How you can save soil? By not using plastic. So you are throwing no plastic in the ground. So that and all you must avoid. So you should not use plastic. That is harmful for the nature. And you can grow trees. You should not cut down the trees from the forest or from everywhere. Where and all you find trees, you should not cut down the trees. You should grow more trees. So by doing this, you can save the earth. So by saving electricity, that is also very important. You can save electricity by switching off the fan, lights when not in use. So nature has given us everything, children, but we have to use it in a right way, as well as we have to save it for the future use or future generations. Okay. So that's all, children. See how ant is saving food in the anthill. Moles, it will store earthworms in the channels. And crocodiles also store food in their pantries. And squirrels, it will store a 7-course meal with starter. It will collect all types of food and storing it. And leopards, it is also killing animals and keeping for and storing it for future use. And farmers, they are also saving or storing food for us. So same way we have to use the nature things and we should not destroy the nature. We should save. Okay, water, electricity, soil, everything. Thank you, children. Hope you understood this video. Thank you all.